What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin dumped after a while. I think it started dumping yesterday. Yes, I think it started dumping day before yesterday. So sorry about that. And which is pretty funny in a way, but yeah, it dumped. And how many percent did Bitcoin dump? Let's see. It went down roughly 3%. Now, this was due to the uncertainty in the market, and as you could see, while it dumped, it was able to dump all the way to this level, which served as a support. As you can see, this level has been serving as a form of support. The 105,420 dollars. That was where it was able to started bouncing back from. So now the question of this particular video is there a possibility for us to get a serious breakout from this resistance? Because this being the support, as you can see right here, if I should show you guys this, should I, sorry about that, I need to, okay, I need to make this clear to each and one of us. As you could see, this level has been serving as a form of resistance and also support for us. As you can see, even all the way from this level, it has been serving as a resistance, guys. So even here, right, at this level, you will see that it has served as a resistance here, support, resistance, support, resistance. Now it is serving as a support too. So now we have to tell ourselves the truth that okay, this level has been crucial in a way. 105,400, it has been crucial. And if by worst case scenario we happen to be dumping below 105,400, I think on the daily EMA we would see that the 100 EMA is somewhere around this level, as we can see. So if, let me say, worst case scenario, we happen to dump on the daily, maybe there's a possibility for us to drop as low as, let me take this away from here, there's a possibility for us to dump this low because there's some uncertainty in the market right now, trade deal, and also the new one that just emerged between Trump and Elon Musk. So as you can see, it dumped to 104,000. At exactly 104,000 is where the 100 EMA is currently at on the daily time frame. Maybe until we bounce to that level before we could break above whatever resistance we need to break before running much higher, because the S&P 500, the S&P 500 has broken its previous all-time highs, but Bitcoin has not broken its previous all-time highs. And also, let's not also forget that Bitcoin is actually following the M2 money supply too, so which is really good. Now regarding the news, I'll still come back to the chart. We could see just in Trump slams Elon Musk and threatens to cut government subsidies to his companies. Now Elon, according to Trump, Elon may get more subsidy than any human being in history by far, and without subsidies, Elon will probably have to close up shop and head back home to South Africa. This is just Trump talking. We know that Trump wants to do that. Trump does a lot of talking, a lot of talking. So no more rocket launches, satellites, or electric car production, and our country would save a fortune. Perhaps we should have Dutch take a good hard look at these. Big money to be saved. So just in Germany's largest bank, Deutsche Bank, to launch crypto custody service in 2026. Okay, this is about 2026. President Trump says Elon Musk could lose a lot more than EV mandates. Okay, if you watch this video right here, you could see him talking about EV and or what's not.
I don't know. I think watch the second look. We might have to put Doge on Elon. You know what Doge is? Doge is the monster that might have to go back and eat Elon. Wouldn't that be terrible? He gets a lot of subsidies, Peter. But Elon's very upset that the EV mandate is going to be terminated. And you know what? When you look at it, not everybody wants an electric car. I don't want an electric car. I want to have baby gasoline.
Sorry
Maybe
about that,
electric,
guys.
maybe a hybrid, maybe someday a hydrogen. If you have a hydrogen car, it has one problem: it blows up. So I'm going to give that one to Peter.
So, as you can see, that's just what's going on. And also, Fed Chair Jeremy Powell, calls crypto stablecoins a positive step and says framework is well underway, which is very, very positive for the crypto. And this is just Trump doing his normal. President Trump says if Doge looks into Elon Musk, we're gonna save a fortune. Trump could be really, really crazy sometimes. Most times, President Trump says anyone would be better than Fed. Okay, this is back and forth with Jeremy Powell about cutting of rates. Senate passes President Trump's one big beautiful bill. We don't know what that one big beautiful bill is, but we definitely know it's about trade. It's about the trade deal with every other country. Just in, Binance founder CZ donates 10 million dollar worth of BNB to Vitalik butchering open source biotech project. Just doing my little part. We all know. We all know what your little part is all about. So SEC approves conversion of Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund into an ETF holding the ETF holding the following cryptocurrencies. So BTC, ETH, XRP, Sol, Cardano. There was also other cryptocurrencies that were being approved too for possible ETF. That will be approved for possible ETFs too. So Justin Trump says he will not extend the July 9th deadline and doubt US will make a trade deal with Japan. Figma, just in case you don't know, Figma discloses $70 million investment in spot Bitcoin ETFs. Board approves additional $30 million BTC purchase. Now, Figma is I'm into the tech world. I'm into the design world too. So, Figma is for web and application designers or product designers or UI UX designers. It's a very, very great platform for designing and all what's not. So and it's also for prototyping too. So just in President Trump says Fed Chair Jeremy Powell is a moron. Wow. We have the M word at, which is the MORON, at the head of the Fed. He is so sorry. I feel really bad for Jeremy Powell, but he doesn't seem like someone that cares though. Doesn't seem like someone that cares. Now back to the chart right here, we could see it right here that okay, Bitcoin is actually finding a very, very strong a very strong bounce from this level, which is 105,400, between 105,200 to 105,400. It got a very, very huge pullback, which is really, really great to see. Now we definitely know that our next resistance is definitely us having to break above 106,500 to 107,100. Once we're able to break above this, we'll definitely have to find support around this level, 107,200, before running to our next resistance, which is 109,000. So now if we move to the other chart just for us to see, you could notice that in my previous chart I made it known to us that you could see that in my previous chart. Let me take this away from here, and also I need to take this away too. Take this away too. So you could also notice that in my previous chart I made it known to us that we need to get to this level until we break above this resistance right here. Until we break above this resistance right here, that is when I will say, okay, it's time for us to start bouncing to the upside. But this didn't come because I made it known to us that this was a very, very crucial level for us on BTC, as we can see right here. So if I move to the daily, you could see that we'll be getting lower lows, higher lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So if I should show you what I meant by that in this particular chart, you could see right here that we've gotten this right here is a lower low, lower high, sorry, and here is also another lower low. You could see right here, this is lower high, lower low, this is lower high right here, this is lower low, this is lower high. Now it's either we come all the way here to make another lower lower low, or we find support within this particular range. So it's kind of funny right now, because since we couldn't break above this resistance right here at 108,700, find support here and rally much to the upside, because I made it known to her that I don't see this happening anytime soon, because this is us kind of breaking at the 50% range, or let me say 48% range of this particular triangle. So we will need to have to dump further. Yes, we'll need to get a more dump to the downside. Maybe worst case scenario we'll dump as low as worst case scenario we could dump as low as 102,000 or 101,000. 100,000 to 102,000, we could dump this low, then rally much high to the upside until we finally break out. And I made it known so that there is every chance for us to break out at the 70% after 70% consolidation, you could see. So we need to break out towards this level right here, not around this level, no, this level. We need to break out from this level downwards. So this is what we need to put our minds on or at. So yeah, that's just all I have to say currently. Now without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, please do subscribe, turn on post notification, and also smash that like button. Share this video with your friends, guys. And yeah, that's just all I have to say on Bitcoin for now. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.